Welcome back on this Monday evening as we count down the final several hours of both tonight and tomorrow of 2024 at a gorgeous last final sunny day that we had today, because cloud cover and rain snow will be back for the final day of the year for tomorrow. Notice this, though. You may have actually checked in on this. Sunset time now 5:13. Mentioned it earlier. We've now seen that sunset time about 10 minutes later than the earliest sundown. So we are beginning to gain daylight fairly quickly, and a total of 49 minutes of daylight is what we're going to gain into the month of January. Now, quiet conditions across the area on Doppler radar. It will be quiet much of the night tonight with clouds increasing and chance of rain returning by about daybreak tomorrow. We are in the 40s, mid 40s. Did reach through the upper 40s for most areas. Another mild day here in late December and a nice pocket of sunshine really to boost those highs for today. We have quiet conditions now, but just showing up on the edge of the screen. That's the rain that's going to return into the area by tomorrow morning. Rain will be falling as we go through our Tuesday. Let's put this in motion. Our hour-by-hour forecast, one of the better tools, is going to show you how this is going to make a transition from rain to snow through the afternoon tomorrow. It will be a wet and cooler feel on Tuesday, so showers arrive. There's the clock at 8 a.m. off to the south and west first. They'll push into the area through about lunchtime. Could briefly see a transition then to a little wet snow through about lunchtime north and west of Toledo. Still all rain in the Ohio region as we see those showers, cold rain showers, begin then to make a transition to snow after dark on Tuesday into New Year's Eve. Snow showers will become more likely after dark. For most, it's going to be around an inch or less of an accumulation, some slightly higher totals far to the west and to the north, and that transition will continue as we get close to midnight. Again, New Year's Eve here. Scattered snow chances could create some slushy and slippery travel on some of our area roadways. Be a little extra cautious of that as we go late Tuesday and into early Wednesday. Here's the details on how much snow to expect. For most, it is less than an inch of an accumulation, but notice far to the west or to the north, there's a potential of over an inch of an accumulation into Williams, Hillsdale, and parts of Lenawee County. All part of a major pattern shift, though, and we're going to give you the early heads up on this one into the first week or two of January. I know we expect it, but it is going to turn very cold in our extended outlook. For Tuesday, last day of 2024, upper 30s, rain snow mix could reach the low to mid 40s south of Toledo. Minor slushy light accumulations through about early evening, and then a chance we see some of that snow continue into New Year's Eve. By Wednesday morning, New Year's Day, the chance we get a few flurries or light snow showers right around the mid 30s. Back close to 30 on Thursday, 27 as we get toward the end of the work week on Friday. Weekend stays cold. Highs will be in the 20s for the first weekend in January. And then a system, we'll have a close eye on this one. Sunday into Monday, that could be a wintry storm type of system. What is certain about that system is it will bring much colder air in, and we are looking at highs in the upper teens and low 20s as we get into that first full week of January. I know we expect it, one of the coldest months of the year. Yeah. But this is going to be a pretty big pattern shift.
I want to ask, I saw your social media post yesterday. We got a ton of rain in the last 24 hours. You were saying that had we had cooler weather or the right situation, we could have had a real banger of a snowstorm.
There's always a lot of ifs when it comes to weather, but
absolutely.
That system yesterday had every single ingredient for a real big-time snowstorm. Energy, a lot of dynamics in the atmosphere, a lot of moisture associated with it. The storm track, how it was deepening right over us.
Yeah.
You can tell I get a little excited about this stuff, right?
Yeah.
It was just missing the cold air. It's a little frustrating for snow lovers because it's late December, early January. This is the time of the year we're supposed to have the colder air. It's coming, but it's still delayed until about the first full week of January. You'll really feel the difference.
Yeah, I saw that. I thought, wow, because I was thinking, I thought the same thing. Boy, it rained so much yesterday.
It had the potential to be well over a foot of snow if it was cold enough.
There you have it.